Efficient web browsing with BrowserOp on ChatGPT. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. In this video, I will be showing you guys how can you enable and use BrowserOp on ChatGPT Plus. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now click on this email address and head towards the option of settings and beta. Go to the option beta features and enable for this option of plugins. After you do that, head towards this option of GPT-4. Check in for this option plugins. After you do that, you will be able to find this drop down. Click on it. Scroll all the way down and head towards the option of plugin store. Open it. Now search for the plugin BrowserOp and install it. After you do that, you can head back. Click on this drop down, you will be able to find BrowserOp plugin. You have to check in for it. With that, you have just enabled BrowserOp plugin. Now you can use this plugin. With this plugin, you can have web page interactions, search engine responses, tailored suggestions, text rewrites and translations, real-time information, and safety measures. Here, I'm gonna provide prompt to it. I have asked it to open a new tab and navigate to official website of OpenAI and explore the homepage and provide latest news and updates you find on OpenAI website. And with that, it is providing me the response. You can see that it has provided all the information that I was searching for. So this is how you can easily enable and use ChatGPT BrowserOp plugin. I hope now you guys are clear about it. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.